Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're unpacking an airline's documentation hierarchy. Super important stuff for your career.
So how do airlines get it right every single time for every task on every flight? The answer? A really powerful four-level documentation hierarchy, also known as a QMS.
Think of it like a pyramid. It takes big ideas from the top and turns them into action. All right, let's break it down. We're starting at the very top, at level 1.
This is all about the why. It's the airline's big picture philosophy and its public promise on quality.
So you might see a quality policy that says something exactly like this. It sets the whole tone.
Okay, let's drop down to level 2. This is all about the rules for the system itself.
This level explains exactly how that quality management system is run, usually following global standards.
And a key standard, ISO 9001, actually requires these 6 specific procedures. No more, no less.
Now we get to the good stuff. How does this actually work on the plane? That's level 3. This is your daily playbook, the step-by-step how-to guide for every single frontline task. For cabin crew, this is your Bible. It covers everything from safety demos to checking oxygen bottles. And finally, we hit the base of the pyramid, the proof. You gotta have proof, right? Level 4 provides the hard evidence that all those procedures are actually being followed. And here, it's really important to know the difference between a form and a record. See, a form is just a blank template. Think of an empty pre-flight checklist. But once it's filled out and signed, boom, it's now a permanent official safety record. So let's recap the whole pyramid. It flows from the why all the way down to the proof. This whole structure is literally the backbone of airline safety, and knowing it is crucial for your career.